Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Arva's Livings. Today on a request I am making NAQLI MACHI KA SALAN or NAQLI MACHI KA SALAN. So let's see the ingredients required for this recipe. Here you can see I have taken fresh coconut. This is around 1/4 cup. 2 big tomatoes. You can add 2 to 3 medium tomatoes also. Handful of coriander. Tamarind, 1 small lemon size which I have soaked in water, 2 medium onions, half inch of ginger and 2 to 3 pods of garlic. You can also add ginger garlic paste. Now first thing is you need to make a masala paste by grinding all the ingredients together. And now the dry ingredients we require is I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of zira methi ka masala, or you can add 1 teaspoon of zira powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt as per your taste. For the bagar I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard and few curry leaves. So these are the ingredients for the gravy. And now let's see the ingredients to make NAQLI MACHI, that is NAQLI MACHI. So here are the ingredients for making NAQLI MACHI. Here you can see I have 2 medium onions finely chopped, handful of coriander finely chopped, 4 eggs, oil as required, turmeric 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon red chili powder. You can even add green chilies if you want, salt as per your taste. So these are the ingredients for making NAQLI MACHI. And now let's get started with the gravy. So first, to begin with the gravy, here you can see I have grinded all the ingredients and I have made them into a fine paste. Now let's cook the gravy. First I'm going to heat oil. When the oil is hot, I'm going to fry mustard and curry leaves. Mix this and let this flutter. Now I'm going to add the grinded masala paste. Mix this and fry for about a minute. After a minute, now I'm going to add turmeric, red chili powder and zira methi ka masala. Mix all the ingredients. Now I'm going to add salt. Spices you can adjust as per your taste. If you want to make spicier, then you can add a little bit more of chili powder. So now you can see the gravy is very thick, so I'll be adding a little water here. I'll add half cup of water. Mix this well, and now we are going to cook the gravy till the oil comes up. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. You can cover and keep this on medium flame. So now you can see the gravy has come to the boil. So now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to leave this on medium flame to cook till the gravy is cooked. So it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So after cooking for few minutes, you can see the oil has come up and the gravy is ready. So now I'm going to switch off the flame and we are going to set this aside. So the gravy is ready. Let's make the NAQLI MACHI now. So here are the ingredients. Now let's see what to do. Okay, first into the bowl I am going to add onions and coriander. Now I am going to add turmeric, red chilli powder and salt. Mix all the ingredients till they are well combined. Now I am going to add eggs. Mix them all together well. So this is ready. Let's start the cooking. Okay, you can see I have kept the tawa here and it's nice hot. Now I'm going to add oil, about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then spread the oil nicely. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add the egg mixture. Add the egg mixture and spread it nicely. And wait for a few seconds till it cooks from one side. Cover it and cook for a few seconds from one side. So after cooking for a few seconds, you can see it's cooked from one side. Now what I'm going to do is, we are going to take half of this and flip it in the middle. Okay, press this so that it sticks. Then the other side goes top of this. Again press a little so that it sticks on top. So now you can see it's getting a shape like a fish. Press this nicely. Cut them into pieces. Okay. Now take one piece. This is little tricky part. Take one piece, flip it on the other side. The same thing we are going to do for the other pieces. Take a piece, then goes like this. Press it nicely and cook till the omelette is cooked from inside. Flip it again. So this is done. I'm going to remove this and keep it aside. So this is what it looks like. So I'll keep this aside. Here I have some more batter. I will finish that and I will show you the plating. And here the omelette is ready and the gravy is also ready. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to add these omelette pieces to the gravy. Take these pieces one by one and add it to the gravy. So it's done. Now gently mix this. Just add the gravy from top. Cover and keep this for few seconds, and then you can serve the gravy. And here NAQLI Machi Ka Salan is ready. Enjoy this with white rice or roti. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.